The votes are. Be ahead. Mr. Vishnu Sharma, come here. Yeah. Clap for yourselves. Vote. Dominant. They address the rest of the 85% of the world population. They are strong personalities, either my way or the highway. Okay? Generally misunderstood because they feel that they are being overpowered, they are overpowered, and no, they overpower others, and they are very strong, rebellious to their own cause. And it's so very surprising that 10 or 15% of the world population, we have almost 80% of them dominating the education industry out here. Please clap for yourselves. People might mistake you because your egocentric nature might be taken in any other way, but it's either your way or no way. So these are the votes for you, gentlemen. That's the characteristic personality. Yeah, something like that. Please. Thank you. Talk about it. These are the Annas. Hardworking. Okay. They are unfortunately influenced by this 10 to 15% of the world population. Okay. Very loyal to the core. Okay. Would seldom want to take credit. Team building, I'll share. The more inquisitive, and they are the more gentle of the lot. They would like to go with the flow. Sorry? Brilliant. So that's what HR does it. She has hit the nail. Okay? Your whole would like to influence an Anna. That's how it is. But she has still not come on the stage. So obviously she has got a different fingerprint as yet, is what I understand. So Annas, we are hardworking. We do not want to be in the limelight. We work only for these boys to take advantage of us. But please clap for yourself. You have been wonderful. That's how the world goes in. And hardworking is what we are, or people out here are. And Annas make the world go, though the bulls would want to call the shots. But you are the people who work silently. Yeah. So be very appreciative of the fact, and let's influence others. Votes, please clap. Thanks a lot. And as I told you earlier on, it all depends as to what your spouse wants it to be.
No, sir, we are curious to know your fingerprint.
You're curious to know my fingerprints.
Yes,
We'll meet at the next session in Lucknow, and from there, radials. They change the world. I think Dr. Preetham, Fatima, and the rest of the people. Unfortunately, I don't know you all by names, but I'm dead sure that you are on your path to make a difference in the life. Don't worry what the others talk or speak to you. Clearly misunderstood the initial phase. It is like success has 100 fathers, but failures have none. So for these guys, if this is success, they will say yes. I'm sorry, you are the ones who did it. But in failures, it solely depends on them. These are the people who tend to change everything, and I think you have almost the stalwarts out here. Please clap for yourself. You have been brilliant. Thanks a lot.
से है। बाकी वाकई कहा जाए तो हमारे ज़माने में ऐसी एजुकेशन नहीं थी जैसी आज की तारीख में है, लेकिन स्टिल करिकुलर एक्टिविटी में थोड़ी सी मैं आगे थी तो
news, a huge round of applause.
तीन फोटोग्राफर तीन जब देनी वो तीन
लड़कियाँ
I heard something number 3 is competitive.
बहन बना दिया
Thank you. So, can you give a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen?
Hello to all the viewers of Bollywood Adda. This is Dr. Syed Asad Abbas from Bangalore City. I've been awarded the Asia's Dynamic Leader of the Year 2019. And I think Niccolo Machiavelli once said, it's not titles that honor men, it is men that honor titles. So I'm very glad, I'm truly humbled today that I've been able to receive such an award. I think awards like these encourage us to further flourish, polish our skills, hone our talent and lead more. And I wish to work harder from now and work better and be able to serve the society, being a part of it as a young leader to the best of my abilities.
So like little of the achievements you can in the past and what could be the input.
Well, this is a very special award. This is my 200th award. Though century who knows better than Sachin Tendulkar. I've been an IPL host which transcended into politics because I wish to do well for the people and for this country. And it's been a great journey which is from rags to riches. And there's a very soon to be book launched from my end. It's called Auto to Audi. It's my journey from traveling in autos to buying an Audi at 23. So it's something to watch out for, to read out for. And I'll be doing a launch in Bombay, Delhi, Hyderabad, Bangalore and Chennai. So आप सबको देखना है, खरीदना है, आना है और also get to know about my journey, how it's been. It's quite inspiring to me and I hope it's going to be inspiring to you as well.
हेलो, मैं कमर्शियल आर्टिस्ट हूँ, इनोवेटिव और क्रिएटिव डायरीज बनाता हूँ। मेरी जो डायरी है ये दुनिया भर में अभी अलग अलग जगहों पे गई है और ये लोगों के सपने पूरे करने में हेल्प करती है। ये लोगों के सपने पूरे करने में हेल्प करती है। ये मोदी से लेकर सोनिया गांधी, राहुल गांधी, देवेंद्र फडणवीस, इंडिया के जो टॉप में 800 पीपल है वहाँ तक मेरी डायरी गई है। अलग अलग क्रिएटिव इसमें बनाया हूँ मैं इसे। हाँ, एक्चुअली ऐसी डायरी बनाने में मुझे बहुत 1 साल लग गया पहले, कि तो पहले रब बनाया फिर उसमें क्या कर सकते हैं, कि तो ऐसी डायरी बनाई थी मुझे जो कि अभी तक बनी नहीं है। इसी टाइप की डायरी बनानी थी तो उसमें बहुत मुश्किलें भी आई। पहले कुछ डिज़ाइन कच्चे रब बनाए, फिर 6 महीने गए, फिर उसमें और कुछ अलग अलग इनोवेटिव करते करते फिर 1 साल बाद वो डायरी बनी और फिर अभी कंटिन्यू डायरी बनना चालू है अभी अलग अलग।
Very happy to receive this. The event was very innovative and got to know a lot of things, a different aspect all over to the education system. So it was a very good learning experience.
The same. No, we are very happy to get the award in this category, which is the most important curriculum one for our school. So we are very glad that they approached us and they selected our school for that.
What is so different about that curriculum and what is different?
Our curriculum is inferential. It's innovating the inferential thinking in the child. Yeah. And all about life skills, which was spoken at a very large scale today. So we are doing a lot in terms of life skill development.